Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals, and in this particular video today I want to show you very quickly how you can withdraw your major token allocation to your favorite exchange. Of course, you know that there are a ton of exchanges that are going to be listing major. All right, I think on the 28th of this month, that's when major is going to be listed. And we've also seen pre-market prices of major. Pre-market prices, as at the last time I checked, was around $4 for one major token. And not only that, also the total supply of the major token is 100 million. That means the possibility of that token being listed at 100 million is very likely, and also being 200 million, 300 million, and even 1 billion is also very likely because the total supply is way limited. And so for me, I don't think I'm going to be selling my major allocation. I think I'm going to have to keep it, all right, pending when the market conditions become much more favorable and I'm able to just cash out real big, all right. So let's just dive straight into how you can withdraw your token. So when you launch the major Telegram bots, what you are going to do is you're going to click on this part here that says claim rewards, all right. So when you click on it, it is going to show you airdrop criteria: start transaction, turn transaction, inviting referrals, task completion, achievement, participation in game, squad creation or participation. It's going to show you all of these things. And for all of these, I have been allocated with 12.26 major token, which is quite small. But if the listing price is around like $4 or $10, I still feel like it is something that is a bit reasonable, right? So I'm just going to click on the OK button. I'll click on the OK button, and you can see there's exchanges, there's wallet in Telegram. So I'm just going to click on exchanges. All right, so I'll click on exchanges and I'll click on continue. Of course, there's OKS, there's Bitget, there's Bybit, there's KuCoin, there's Gate, there's Mexi. So I'm going to select Bitget. All right, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so it says exchanges. It says, do you have a Bitget account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive a major. All right, create an account. Exchanges required to verify your identity before trading. So yes, I already have this. All right, so basically what I'm going to be adding here is the Bitget UID and the major deposit address. So I'm going to go straight to my Bitget exchange, and I'm going to go on this particular part here. I'm going to click on this part. All right, you can see this part here. I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to select my UID, all right, so directly under your username. Then I'm just going to paste my UID here, all right. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go back and I'm going to click on this part where we have, all right, assets, all right. I'm going to click on assets and I'm going to click on add funds. You can see add funds. All right, I'll click on add funds and I'm going to click on deposit crypto. You can see that here. All right, and I'm going to click on the search box. This is the search box, as you can see. All right, and I'm going to type the token I'm looking for. That's major. You can see this here, major, or I'm going to click on it. Of course, the ecosystem that major is going to be listed on is Ton, and you can see the deposit address here. All right, there's no memo for it, so I'm just going to copy this deposit address. I'm going to click on that icon, and I've copied the address, and I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste the address, and I'm going to click on send. All right, so you can see here it says check your data. You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive major. Bitget UID is there, deposit address also there. It says you may lose your tokens if this data is incorrect or your account is blocked. KYC passed only. Exchanges required to verify your identity before trading. All right, so I'm going to click on I confirm, and it says deposit is in progress. All right, now be ready for listing on the 28th of November. So I'm going to click on OK. All right, so it says processing. You can see it has changed from claim to processing. If I click on it, view airdrop criteria, this is it. All right, so you need to be very careful and just determine the exchange that you want to use. All right, let me also see this part here where they wrote airdrop. Let me see what they mean there. All right, okay, it's still the same thing. So you want to be very, very careful on how you add your UID and also the address so that you don't end up losing your allocation. All right, so guys, that'll be all for now. If you have found value in this video, do give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out when I upload a new video. All right, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.